Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best spin bikes available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 8, we have Sunny Health and Fitness Cycling Bike. Increase resistance or come to a complete stop in a flash with the friction resistance knob. Use the resistance knob to increase and decrease resistance applied to the flywheel. Ergonomic handlebars are designed for multiple riding styles while cycling on this bike for home use. Tailor your riding experience to your individual height. Use the 4-way adjustable seat that can be fitted to your individual leg length. If you are looking for the best budget spin bikes, then this is the best product money can buy. Ranking at number 7, we have Puba Magnetic Cycling Bike. Built with magnetic tension control system, it is convenient for you to customize your workout tension levels for an easier or more difficult workout. Emergency stop brake and handlebar adjust tube bump for safety. Multi-use holder can support the tablet, phones, water bottle, and other things. 2 transportation wheels for easy movement and digital monitor for easy tracking workout data. Ranking at number 6, we have Marcy Magnetic Cycling Bike. This gym equipment is the answer to your cardio needs. It has a thoughtful design and is comfortable for users of different sizes. The seat adjustment accommodates various leg lengths. The step-through frame eliminates the struggle of getting onto the bike. The foam-covered handlebars provide you maximum comfort and stability while you exercise, especially when you turn up the intensity. Ranking at number 5, we have Nautilus Cycling Bike. 29 unique training programs allows you to choose from preset programs like interval training, weight loss and cardio health, or create one geared to your specific goals. High speed, high inertia drive system with a perimeter weighted flywheel for easy startup and smooth. With enhanced Bluetooth connectivity, users can set, track and monitor progress with popular app-based tracking tools. Ranking at number 4, we have Ativa Fit Cycling Bike. Ativa Fit indoor exercise bicycle is equipped with sturdy steel frame and 35 pounds flywheel. You can get a stable and smooth ride at home. Multi-grips PVC handlebar gives you variety of grip, full exercise positions. You can also put your iPad on a flat bracket so that you can watch videos or listen to music while exercising. Fully adjustable padded seat, perfect fit as you can move the seat forward, back and up down. Ranking at number 3, we have Schwinn Cycling Bike. Fully loaded console with dual-track blue backlit LCD screens display 29 workout programs. Padded contoured seat with post for easy seat exchange with any clamp and rail bicycle seat. With enhanced Bluetooth connectivity, users can set, track and monitor progress with popular app-based tracking tools. Ranking at number 2, we have Alpha Cycling Bike. Infinite resistance system and silent belt drive system can provide you with a smooth and comfortable riding experience. 2 wheels in the front bar bring easy moving experience. Just need to uplift the rear part and go forward with wheels rolling. The seat and handlebar are both adjustable to meet the needs of people with different heights. Twist the knob under the seat cushion to move it forward and backward. Ranking at number 1, we have Body Ride Cycling Bike. More than just a cardio machine, this bike provides a full body workout in the comfort of your own home. This flywheel bike features 8 levels of resistance so you can customize any workout to your ability level. Now it's your turn. Let us know as this video helps you to find the best spin bikes listed in the video.